crypto holders, the time is almost upon us. Big things are happening. Economic data stubbornly good despite all the doomers and gloomers out there, okay? We have big altcoin season updates, big altcoin news, big Bitcoin news. GigaChad sale are out buying again. We got all kinds of stuff to cover. Let's get straight into it. So, first and foremost, this Atlanta Fed GDP now forecasts Q4 GDP growth at 3.2%, accelerating from 2.8% in Q3. No recession in sight. Clear skies ahead as moving to 2025. This is insane because all I have been hearing is that the sky is falling, everything's about to fall apart. The bear market of bear markets is just around the corner. It's going to be the Great Depression 2.0, the pulling of hair and gnashing of teeth, and everything's going to zero. And yet, GDP growth 3.2% this quarter. That's good. That's good GDP growth, man, for a big economy like the USA. That's really rock solid. That's like strong economy kind of stuff. And I know what you're probably thinking. You look around and go, I don't know, man. The economy's that strong. Is it really? That's what the numbers say. Look, the U.S. is not in a recession. The U.S. might enter a recession at some point in the not so distant future. 2026, I'm still thinking, man, like we're going to get that M2 money increase throughout 2025. It'll be the big hurrah in the markets. Prices will go a lot higher and sillier than people think. This will be the AI bubble, probably comparable to the .com bubble, except, this is AI and it's actually much more fundamentally impactful than like pets.com. But all this silly stuff is happening. Huge values being created in crypto, in the stock world. Things get crazier before we get the big cool down. And when the big cool down happens, it could be a really big cool down. We'll see. We'll see. But right now, where is the recession? Is it in the room with us right now? It is not. No recession. We can keep on grinding. And I know stock markets are at like record high valuations. But here's the thing about record high valuations and record high all kinds of stats, right? That are at record highs that are concerning, that show overly greedy, euphoric behavior in the stock markets in particular. Crypto markets starting to experience a little bit of that, but certainly not to the same level as stock investors have. But it can get crazier. This is the thing. It can always get crazier. Now, we might see a big cool down at some point in the not-so-distant future. We've got a couple of videos coming on that topic in the not-so-distant future for you, so keep an eye out for those. But anyway, there it is. There it is. Not go off on a total tangent here. GDP growth strong. Bitcoin today taking a bit of a dive. Again, that short-term downtrend that we were in has not been broken yet. It's still downtrending, okay? Still downtrending, guys. We didn't break out. We're trending back down. Let's watch for 92K again as a very important area of price support that we want to see hold, okay? That's it. That's the level. That's where we're watching. Michael Saylor has bought another 15,400 Bitcoin now. Yesterday, the U.S. government moved $1.9 billion, I guess, almost about 20,000 Bitcoin into Coinbase or just to a new wallet address, I think. I don't know. And people were like, oh my gosh, they're moving around this Bitcoin. Like, dude, Michael Saylor just bought that like yesterday. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. It's not that much Bitcoin. Oh, it's $2 billion of Bitcoin. Yeah, okay, if this was November 2022 and FTX just collapsed and the U.S. government's about to dump a few $billion worth of Bitcoin, I'd say, yeah, worry. Not right now. Not in these kind of environments. Wall Street bought 300 million again today. They're probably going to keep buying again this week. I mean, come on. Come on. Big picture here, guys. Big picture. Marathon Digital, the Marathon Holdings, called Marathon Holdings now that they are officially a holding company, okay? Anyway, they are raising $805 million to buy more Bitcoin. So they're a Bitcoin mining company. I gotta get like 20K of their stock or something, man. I don't know. David charted this up in the Discord, and it's like, oh, that actually looks pretty good. It looks probably primed for a breakout. And anyway, besides the point, not stock advice. Definitely, we don't do stock advice around here. I'm just saying I might do it by my own money. I haven't decided to do that yet, but regardless, these mining stocks have tended to perform pretty well in previous cycles, and Marathon kind of looks like they're taking a page from the MicroStrategy playbook here and issuing out all of these convertible notes to buy truckloads of more Bitcoin. We'll see how that works out. James Lavish saying Bitcoin right now is 0.2% of total global assets. At 1% of the total global assets, Bitcoin's a $9 trillion asset worth $450,000 per coin. At 3%, it's worth $1.3 million per BTC. That's where we're going. We are going to have $1 million Bitcoin. And you may not believe it today. I have people literally telling me we're never going to go 100K. Okay, I know we technically didn't hit 100K yet, okay, but we came within like $5 of it or whatever, so it's close enough for now, okay? We will get to multi-hundreds of thousands of dollar Bitcoin, okay? 200, 400, 500, 700, 800, and eventually $1 million. Not this cycle, though. Not this cycle, okay? Next cycle, probably still not going to have $1 million Bitcoin, but I think the 2032 cycle, we're probably going to get $1 million Bitcoin. I know what you're thinking, like, Lark, 2032 cycle, that's ages from now. It is ages from now. But I'm not planning on selling the Bitcoin, so it doesn't matter. I can wait. What else am I doing? Just hold it, which is one of the hardest things you can do with your Bitcoin, of course. Real quick, guys, if you're a cryptocurrency trader and you want to have a great exchange to do some trading on, you might want to look at what the guys at BitUnix are offering, okay? This is one of the hottest new exchanges in the cryptocurrency market right now. Here's the deal. No KYC, no VPN. You can just go over here, enjoy privacy in your trading. They're not going to do your KYC. You can just come trade, enjoy yourself, have fun, okay? And they have insane bonuses going on right now as well. So if you use the link down below in the description, right down here, you got to click on that link. Then you can get some exclusive bonuses as a thank you for using that link. So if you deposit $2,000 or more, you're going to get $200 back, which is crazy. There's small deposit amounts as well, $500, you get $50 back, etc. But $2,000, you get $200 back. Plus, you start trading, okay, and you can get up to 6 free Solana, up to 6 Solana back. That's crazy, man. $200, 6 Solana, no KYC. Link down below in the description. Go check it out. Now, altcoin season, baby. It is heating up. This looks like the XRP chart. Yeah, it's been a pretty wild run recently. Altcoin season definitely heating up big time here. At some point, we're going to get a local top put in. Not the end of the cycle, but a local top nevertheless. Anyway, Miles here saying the global stablecoin supply at all-time high of $186 billion. Most important constituent of an altcoin bull market, more liquidity equals bigger pumps. I agree, Miles. I agree. The more money in the system, the higher the prices can go. Patrick H. CZ calling for an altcoin season. Look at this. Look at this. Which key is available on Windows and Linux, but not on Mac? The alt. Ha, 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 ha. It's a dad joke, CZ. It's a dad joke. Tech Dev says you haven't seen this altcoin market set up in 8 freaking years, okay? This is the perfect situation that we're facing right now, a almost Goldilocks-like situation for altcoins where we're going to see massive price appreciation across the board for all of our favorite altcoins, okay? It's going to be nuts. You think these XRP pumps have been crazy recently? The XRP pump, the Cardano pump, the Stellar pump, these were test pumps. They're not even back to all-time highs yet, guys. Test pumps, okay? Things are getting a lot crazier. You need to up your valuations in your brain. The U.S. economy is not in a recession right now, and it's probably not going to be a recession anytime soon, okay? Stable coins flooding in, Wall Street flooding in, normies are piling back into the market. They just made $150 billion on XRP. That money's got to go somewhere. Altcoins, baby. Altcoins. South Korea retail crypto trading hits $18 billion, beating the local stock market. I'd like to reiterate what that was just said there. The South Koreans have gone so crypto insane that they're literally trading crypto more than they're trading their own stocks. That's nuts. That's crazy, man. I love it. Favorite coins, XRP, Doge, ENS for some reason. Whatever. And HBAR, that's crazy. XRP and Doge, man. XRP and Doge, sometimes you just can't mid-curve these things. Yano saying, Gut says we're at a local top, not a cycle top. XRP near all-time highs. NFTs pumping. Bitcoin up 2x in 60 days. Enron launching a token. Enron's launch, that's ridiculous. Yeah, great. Let's do Enron again, guys. People saying hype is the next Axie. It's hyper liquid. I just bought XRP meme coins. But yeah, XRP meme coins, man. People making money on those. Good to remember that 20 to 30% drawdowns are common in a bull market. Amen to that. And that is something you guys need to understand. The market cycle, I believe, is far from over. Now, does that mean that we get the final top in sort of like March, April? Possibly. Do we get a final double top at late year, like October, November, December? Maybe next year, right? But on that road to, let's say, 150K Bitcoin first peak, March, April, dudes, there's going to be so much chaos. You have no idea. There will be 20, 30% drawdowns in a week. Okay, there'll be flash crashes. There will be all kinds of scary news that freaks people out. It's normal. Normal part of the crypto cycle. Crash says there is no super cycle for your altcoin and your shitcoins. It's just a psyop so that you think that because of ETFs, the cycle will play out way longer and be 10 years of up only. It's the narrative they want everyone to believe, so you get stuck holding the top and being X liquidity. There is no super cycle. It's a boom bust cycle. When your altcoins go 100x in a short time and you have unplayable video games hitting billions of dollars market cap, your super cycle isn't gonna save you. I agree. You will hear all kinds of stuff that's gonna try to convince you not to take profits this cycle. Okay, it's the super cycle. Everyone's wrong this time. This time is different, but this thing and this thing and this thing is happening. You don't understand how mega bullish everything is. This coin's gonna be the new paradigm of something. This is gonna solve puppy sadness, and this one's gonna cure cancer, and this one's gonna take us to... It's all bullshit, because when the liquidity gets pulled out of the market, which always gets pulled out of the market, okay, and global M2 money supply, most analysts are predicting that's going to increase throughout 2025, probably topping at some point in like Q3, Q4 2025, which means that the bear market will come in 2026 for everything. Now, it doesn't mean it's a Great Depression, but a bear market. It'll be a bear market for crypto, bear market for stocks, okay? There will always be new bear markets. There's always bear markets. Always, okay? And you either sell or you sit around crying in a Discord during the bear market, down 99.99% on your coins, or the other 5 dudes who didn't sell. Okay, do you want that to be you? Is that your future? Okay, or do you want to be the guy who cashed out? Not at the exact top, but close enough. You made a bunch of money. You got giant returns. Now you're living the life. You got financial freedom. You diversified the money you made in crypto. You got some rental properties. You're gonna buy some stocks at the bottom of the bear market. You're gonna buy some crypto because you have cash to buy crypto with because you sold. And now while you're waiting for that to happen, you, your beautiful wife, your kids, you're sailing the Caribbean. You're backpacking through Southeast Asia, man. You're living the life you dreamed of. Which fate do you want? This is a slap in the face, to be honest. This is Coinbase. Coinbase listing Moo Deng, that fat little baby hippo. It's gonna get old and be ugly, guys. Why is everyone? Have you seen adult hippos? They nasty, man. Come on. Coinbase literally listing this fat hippo instead of any base meme coins. What about Brett? What about Miggles? What about Benji? Keycat? Toshi? Come on, Coinbase, throw us a bone here. List one of the damn base meme coins already. I know you want us to get on chain. Dog, come on. List some base memes over here. Let's go. You don't have to list all of them, just a few of the nice ones, particularly my bags. That'd be fantastic. Thank you very much. Okay. By the way, if you want to see my bags, obviously, as always, portfolio disclosures down below. You can find those right there. Current portfolio holdings, private round investments, OTC deals, and a risk statement that says you can lose all your damn money by investing in crypto, and you should not be silly, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Past performance is not equated to future performance. Be sensible, people. Okay, there you go. Sonic is coming. Oh my gosh. My phantom bags are so big. They're so big, guys. It's going to be crazy. Now look, Sonic is going to be the new blockchain growing out of Phantom, okay? 10,000 transactions per second at 1 second finality. Now, Phantom, in case you don't know, is an Andre Krohn blockchain. This Sonic upgrade is going to make, and he's one of the most famous developers in crypto, launched all kinds of major cryptocurrency protocols and apps that have been the foundation for much of what you see in the crypto market space every single day, by the way. Just throw that out there. Anyway, Sonic is going to be one of the most technically competitive blockchains in the market when it launches, okay? And there's all kinds of stuff coming up for this bad boy. I've got a huge bag of Phantom, and I think it's going to make Gargantuan sums of money. Anyway, there's that. You know, just don't buy some just because I'm gonna make a bunch of money off selling the top on it. Anyway, besides the point. It's here. Genesis achieved block 0 infrastructure deploying public soon. Very, very exciting. Very great. Excited to see what Sonic Labs is going to bring out. This is going to be a very talked about blockchain, in my opinion. Chainlink, oh man, it's finally doing some stuff. Now, to be clear, I took about 4% of my Chainlink bag and sold it today at about $25 or whatever, $24.50 or something. Not because I don't think Chainlink's going to go up farther, but because I wanted to realize some profits from that Chainlink bag, and I've moved that into another position. Finally got mine on board with one of the AI agent framework coins. I bought the Solana-based AI 16Z coin with some of the profits from the recent run-up on Chainlink. Okay, still holding the vast majority of the Chainlink position. We'll start looking to unload that over $100, and yeah, it's going to go to over $100. Anyway. Chainlink partners with 21X to launch first E-regulated financial market infrastructure. Good job, Chainlink. Good job. Bitwise, Aptos is growing. Yes, I'm very bullish on all these sort of competitive. Look, blockchains tend to be some of the best performing assets in crypto more broadly. Okay, look back at every cycle. Blockchains have blown returns out of the water for most other assets. Yeah, there's some dApps that take off, but blockchains tend to be pretty solid investments during a major bull market cycle. Aptos, I think, is an absolute winner for a whole variety of reasons. Look at the transaction count. It's absolutely exploded in Q3. Absolutely crazy. It was at 2.5 billion in Q3, okay, versus it's 2.5 more than Ethereum. Now I know there's other chains like Solana that have done more transactions, right? But Aptos is exploding. Look at the growth. Look at the growth quarter over quarter, okay? It's absolutely going parabolic right now. People are paying attention to Aptos, what it has to offer, what they're doing, and it's very, very exciting. Seriously, it's awesome. That's great. I think that chart-wise as well, I've been charting this in the newsletter and in the Discord. Chart-wise, it's looking very juicy. It was sitting on support for a couple weeks, and now it's finally starting to move higher. When it breaks out above $20, it's going to be a big move. That's price discovery, and that's the breakout point from the double bottom pattern that's been forming for like the last year and a half, something like that. So beast of an asset, beast of an asset. By the way, if not signed up for the newsletter, get signed up newsletter. It's awesome. You'll love it. No, seriously, it's great. Go check it out. 150,000 people a week reading this bad boy. Latest on altcoins, meme coins, DeFi, and much, much more. It's free. Check it out. Link down below in the description. Okay, guys, that's it. Peace.